It's a very responsible job. It might seem a lot of fun and very glamorous and exciting to most people. But besides all that, it is a serious job because you're representing your country abroad.
Hi, I'm Ruchi Mukherjee here at the Consul General of India, Houston's residence, catching up with Mrs. Reena Gawai as she welcomes us into her lavish yet hectic lifestyle. This is Life Bites.
I finally found myself or really grew up in a place called Chandigarh, where I did my high school and college and my post-graduation. And I think those 7 years were the best years of my life. I achieved a lot. I was a go-getter. I used to do a lot of things. I was Miss Chandigarh in 1977 or 78. And I used to play cricket. Cricket for my college, university, North Zone, and almost made it to the national team. I used to be a wicket keeper.
Okay.
And even broke my nose playing it, so it's all patched up. And I used to sing, I used to model.
Yeah, being Miss Chandigarh was quite a competition because I know Chandigarh girls are very pretty. So.
Yes, they were very pretty, yes. And so it was a whirlwind kind of a life. I did a lot in those 7 years. My husband is a Maharashtrian, so the wedding was in Bombay in Maharashtrian
And you're
style.
Punjabi?
Yeah, I'm from Delhi.
Okay.
A mixture of Haryana and UP.
Oh, okay.
My dad's from Haryana, my mother's from UP.
Yeah.
But everybody's in Delhi, so definitely a North Indian.
Yeah.
And I studied in Chandigarh, so yeah. Ruchi, one of my passions or one of my things that I've collected over the years are bells from different countries. And I have over 100 bells which I've just picked up from all my travels all over the world. Look like people who come here should feel they've come to a little India and have that warmth, of a home with my own personal things.
Yeah.
So I do carry all my things everywhere and display them. I want to share things with people, with all my guests who come home. So that's me.
I would like some of your friends to say a few words about you.
Well, we had many private moments together, and probably one of the best things we have had is she always opened her heart to me.
What about you, son? What do you like to say about her?
She's opened her heart, her mind, her soul, and I'll always remember her beautiful smile, trademark bindi, and the first lady, Consul General, that has given us home-cooked food.
First Council General's wife who has really not made us feel that, we in the society have to sort of have an appointment or come and take and see her. So she's really a good friend, a very great, gracious lady, gracious host, and always been for us, for our Indian community. And I really, really appreciate all the nice home-cooked food that we've made before, and I think she's one of the best friends I think we've had for many, many years. And we miss you.
I agree. I totally agree. She's one of our most reachable CG's wife that we've ever had. Yeah. And we felt so much at home with her. And there's never been some kind of any level that we've had to worry about. She's just one of us and she's made us feel so much at home. She's the sweetest thing.
So I said, first of all, I have to get to know the Americans. So that's what I'm here for. Indians I can meet anywhere. I don't have to be abroad to meet Indians. So that was my first objective. To get to know the Americans and get to know the other Consul Generals who are posted here. So I think I succeeded in that. And I was the first Indian to be elected president of the
Consul
Clubs. And then I had the fashion show and I had a dance. And lots of
the temples
things.
also.
Yeah, made 2 trips to the temple. So that was my major achievement. And then I met all of you, and all of you welcomed me with a lot of warmth and affection. Then, of course, there was no stopping me.
Where are you taking us now?
Well, I have to get ready for the function, Ruchi.
Okay.
So I'm going to take you up and to have a quick, crazy look at my collection of saris and my accessories. Yeah, so these are some of the saris that I possess and which I have ready for functions. Normally I have saris for 1 week ready. But I have to attend this function, and I have the sari and the blouse and petticoat all ready so that when I'm in a rush, I just pick it up, get ready, and I'm out.
Yeah.
So I think I'm going to wear this today. It's a sari from Pune. It's called a Narayanpet.
It's from different states.
Yeah, so this is from Maharashtra.
Yeah.
This is a Banarsi sari. This is from Orissa. This is again Banarsi. This is from Bengal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Baluchuri.
So, Baluchuri, yeah. And this is a Lucknowi chicken one.
The white.
Yeah. So I was the president of the Counselor Corps Ladies Group, and one of the first things I did was to have a fashion show. I wanted to show the